You can easily fix the P0118 engine code by replacing the thermostat. This means that the vehicle's computer, PCM, has detected an abnormally high voltage from the ECT sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. The thermostat. A thermostat is a regulating device component that controls the coolant flow to allow the engine to maintain a proper temperature under various conditions. It consists of the main valve, a spring, and a bypass valve. The thermostat is located between the engine and the radiator. It is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. A faulty thermostat may cause the temperature gauge to read higher or lower than normal. You may find leaking coolant around the thermostat or under the vehicle, and experience erratic temperature changes while driving, which will turn on the check engine light. The thermostat. In most cars, the thermostat is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine. The engine has to be cool before attempting the process, and then install a new thermostat to install it correctly. You need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose and the deep end goes towards the engine when you install it back to the engine. Make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine so the air can get through the system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.